morning. Good morning. Good morning. We up in the morning, so I can't believe it. I'm going to bed, so like, we're gonna try to catch it. See, can we go catch or find a piece of bacon, sausage, a biscuit or something? So here we are. Here we go. I can't believe it.
Yeah, we're gonna try to check out Johnny Rockets. We may be a little too late, so we may have to swing to the Windjammer, but either one we'll be happy with.
Yeah, we just want to see, can we get breakfast at least one day?
Yeah, one day. We actually made it to Johnny Rockets.
We wasn't on time, but we actually made it, and they gave us a seat.
I'm excited.
So I think we got I got the cheesy bacon lover, and Danny got the French toast with an extra little side of protein. But hey, this is our first time eating Johnny Rockets, and once we get the food, we'll let y'all see it and let y'all know what it tastes.
Food showed up.
Yeah, I think I got, like I said, I got the cheesy bacon lover.
I got the French toast.
It looks official.
French toast looks
good.
good.
It looks good, yeah.
They did forget our extra bacon, but I'm thankful.
I ain't gonna complain. I'm just gonna keep it going and don't worry about it.
I guess we can run the Windjammer and go get some more bacon when we get out of here. Well, guys, we did make it to Johnny Rockets, but I don't know if it was worth getting up out of bed to.
Cause I could stay in bed.
Yeah. I'd probably rate that one a 4. It was a free meal, so that's a good thing about
exactly.
that.
But it wasn't
all that.
It wasn't what I was expecting. It's not what the hype everybody made it seem to be. I didn't get nothing but egg. I didn't even get my toast, and I love toast. So, but you know, it's all good. No worries.
Still thankful.
On to the next one, you know. So.
Yeah, we'll probably just eat again in an hour instead of 2 hours. Nassau now, we got here pretty quick. It looked like we were far away still, and next thing I know,
we here, baby.
I see land.
We are here.
The water here though is so beautiful.
So beautiful.
It's so like, nice to see.
Blue, clear.
Yeah, it's just.
I love it.
Look at all the carnival ships that came just to see the Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas. Pretty cool, huh? They all showed up just to come see the world's largest cruise ship.
Okay, you guys. After riding 5 ships, you never got on it.
But this time.
Today, it's official. We're going on the Abyss.
I'm so ready.
I'm excited. I'm not nervous about this one. I'm ready to go down it.
Let's do this, baby.
Let's do it, baby.
Yes, ma'am.
3, 2, 1, go!
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm doing Oh my God. What's so funny? Oh, no. Yeah. It flashed before my eyes. I didn't know I was gonna get down here so fast.
That was quick, wasn't it?
It was quick and funny to me though.
It was just like bouncy. It was like I'm about to do the rock wall.
I ain't doing it. Okay.
She don't need to do it. She don't need to do it. So I'm gonna climb one of these guys, but the one on the opposite side. I'm gonna ask to see which one the hardest one is, because that's the one I want to do.
Here go Danny. He's finna get ready to do the rock climbing. He did it so fast on Oasis of the Seas. And there he goes. He's like a little ninja. Nice.
You guys, I did it. She told me what the hardest one was all the reds going up. It was challenging, I'm not gonna lie, my muscles were a little shaking at the top, but I made it.
You did it.
I made it. All right, y'all, we're here on the wonder of the seas. We're gonna go check out this sunset. It's looking pretty beautiful. Look at this, guys. I even found the Guga here.
Cool.
We just did the Abyss, we just did the rock wall. I think we may try to find some Din Din, and then we do have the Aqua show tonight, so we may have to check that out. But man, what a beautiful view in the Bahamas. Nothing like coming to Nassau, Bahamas and just staying on the ship, getting the beautiful views of the island, and just enjoying everything the ship has to offer. That's my favorite thing when I come to Nassau. I'm not a big Nassau port fan as far as going into port, but hanging out on the ship and looking at these views is just absolutely beautiful. Woo! Guys, we come to the room.
We got a orangutan.
Or
a snow.
Are some of the most intense high divers in the entire world, and she is up there ready to perform for you, ladies and gentlemen, but only if you make a whole lot of noise. Orlando is about to jump off the 17-meter tower, which of course is 55 feet into 14 feet of water, making it a grand total of 69 feet that she is going. Get your cameras. This is an Instagrammable moment right here. Orlando, when you're ready.
Oh my God, positive vibers, what another wonderful day on the wonder of the sea. Tomorrow we're going to Coco Cay and we cannot wait because it will be our first time ever to Coco Cay. Experience the amazing island, the food, and all those amazing water slides. We cannot wait. And you know Tanya's gonna be going on bad when she hits that 135-foot water slide. Well, all right, positive vibers, we'll see you on the next adventure. Peace, y'all.